Hey guys!
Hey guys!
Hi!
And I'm Colin Richards.
And this is our sister.
Sparkle Poop.
Wait, I've changed my name.
Sparkle Wait.
Princess.
Poop.
Wait.
Right.
Where's the other sour apple pad?
Right. Okay. So what we're going to be doing today, we're just going to be tasting these foods.
Yeah. They're called sour Chewits. She can have the other sour apple. She'll get.
I want to taste one of them. I want to taste one of them. Yeah. Can I taste one of them? Libby only gets to taste 4 and you get to taste 1.
No, I have a pack of sour apple. It says sour apple. Yeah, so you can have 1 and Connie can have the pack. Wait! What's this in a minute?
Okay, right. So we've got some sweets and we are just going to be
They're
trying them out.
extremely sour.
The
The first one.
Is this copyright because we're using the sweets? Because we're using the shop sweets? I don't know.
Yeah. We literally just bought them.
Oh!
So. Oh, there's that one.
Oh!
Right. My first one. I've also got
I
sour
don't think
apple.
you're on the camera shot.
Okay, so Sparkle Poop's not on the bin.
I'm not called Sparkle Poop anymore.
Oh yeah, you're called Princess and Poopana.
I've
Nice.
got one of these ones.
Oh, go on, I'll take
Sour
one of these.
apple.
Go on then, Sparkle Poop. What does that
Oh!
taste like? What?
Oh, let's try that.
Right, let me taste one of these. Sour apple.
I want my drink.
They're nice.
I want my drink. After challenge, we're not allowed to drink our drink. I have 12 sips. I got nothing. What? Second. Soup sour.
Oh, let's taste one of your
Reps. Whoa! Sorry about that.
Let me taste one of yours.
Who's got sour apple?
You.
Sour apple.
Sour apple.
Yeah, Luke's got sour apple. There are only 3 flavours. And I'm keeping mine with juicy burgers.
Oh, can I have one of them too, please?
No!
Just one.
I'm not opening them.
Please, I've never tried them.
No.
I'll give you one of mine.
No.
I'll give you one of mine.
No.
Please.
I'm not opening
You'll get
them today. I'll get told off.
Right, okay.
She'll keep 1 pack because we're eating them tonight. She'll keep 1 for you. Yeah, we eat them during film time. We have an hour and a half of film time with our nana. Here it is. The green sour apple.
It's nice.
The
isn't it?
green lava. The green death. Jinx. What? We said green of death at the same time.
We're going to be doing a would you rather.
Afterwards.
So if we act weird during the would you rather,
Because it
Blame.
is sweet.
blame him.
What?
Why me?
You just buy these.
I know. I've got a drink. Don't tell Luke and Courtney. Right, okay.
I've had a drink. My drink is actually holding up the camera.
Which is off screen, isn't it? Okay, right, now I am just going to have one of these babies. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah.
We're not going to eat all of them on camera because we haven't got much time.
No, we've only got
30 more minutes.
No.
5 on the video. Alright, so this is my last one.
See?
Another sour death. Oh!
No discussion.
What flavour is that?
Right,
What flavour is that?
only a short video today.
Sour pineapple.
I'll go for one of mine. You've had 2. You've had 2. I've had 4. Well, thank you for watching. TBNR WAINY is out.